All right. Problem number 4 is saying, what is the equation of a line that passes through the points 1, 2, and 4, 7? So the easiest way to handle this question is to use Desmos. We're going to graph the 2 points. The first point is 1, 2. So graph it just the way it is, 1, comma 2. There's 1 point right there, and then the other one is 4, 7. 4, 7. It's passing through it. Um, and then, I mean, since it is a multiple choice, you can go ahead and graph each one and then find which one goes through both of the points. Okay, so let me put the first one, y plus 3 equals 5 over 3 x plus 4. That doesn't work, but you can see that at least the slope looks right. It just needs to move down a bit maybe. So I do think that it's either A, B, or C, because the 5 over 3 looks like is the slope. But let me try B. I know it's, sorry. Y plus 7 equals 5 over 3 plus x plus 4. Oh, that one also misses the mark. I'm going to show you that it definitely cannot be C because the slope is very different on that one. 3 over 5, x plus 4. Yeah, see, the slope doesn't match at all. So it definitely is going to be answer choice D. Okay, again, this is only works because there is answer choices. So, we're just kind of trying to look for the answer. That one works. But now I want to show you how you can do this question without, if you weren't given a graph or multiple choice. So looks like here, the answer is written in point slope form. Okay, point slope form, which looks like this: y minus the y coordinate of a point, so either this point or this point, equals the slope times x minus x1. That is the x coordinate of the point. Okay, now I have 2 points here. I can choose either one, but I don't know what the slope is. I do know the slope formula. I can use the slope formula to find it. So the slope formula says y2 minus y1. This can be x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, so 7 minus 2 over 4 minus 1. Okay, and then we're going to simplify. Oops, sorry. What happened? Okay, 7 minus 2 equals, so that's 5 over 4 minus 1 is 3. That's where the slope part came from. I know this is the answer. And then the only other thing is 5 over 3. The only other thing is to fill in a point here. So there's 2 equations that could work for this. So 2, 1, so y1 and x1, so 2 minus 1. And then this one is y minus 7 equals 5 over 3, the 7 right here, equal, sorry, 3 times x minus 4. Okay, so that's this point right here, this line. Yeah. All right, that's that. Thanks, guys.